Let us subscribe before we go. This is a full training tutorial on how to use straight razor. Straight razor. Straight razor. Yeah, you apply the soap and the entire head of a customer. I now start from the center of the head to the back down to the back of the neck. The style I am using now is open hand straight down. Open hand straight down. That is the style I am using in shaving now. Open hand straight down. Try to watch carefully. See the way I'm taking the step from center of the head back down to the back of the neck, from the center of the head down to the back of the hair. That was where I started. Now watch from center of the head coming to the side, right hand side of the eye. Can you see the way I'm coming? Little by little. You see the way I'm taking the step. Straight razor. From the center of the head down towards the forehead by the right hand side. You see the way I'm taking my step one by one. That is open hand straight down. Yeah, can you still see from center of the head coming to the forehead? From center of the head coming down to the forehead, that is the front of the head. You see the way I'm taking it step by step. Not too much pressure from center of the head down to the back of the neck now. That is center of the head by the back. Yeah, I'm trying to clear the center to the back. I'm trying to reposition. You see from the center of the head down to the part of the forehead. Open hand straight down. You see the way I'm taking it from the center of the head down to the forehead. Application of the soap again. You have to soak the part of the head you want to shave. I have finished with the right part. I divide the head into two. By the center in the front to the center at the back. I've shaved for the right hand side. Now I'm applying soap for the left hand side. From the center of the head, coming down straight to the forehead. That is where I'm going. Let us watch carefully. Can you see from the center of the head right down to the forehead? You see the one I pack in my hand. So I'm using paper, that is carton, to pack it off. So I'm still reapplying the soap again to make sure the hair gets softened and the soap doesn't get dried. You see from the center of the head going to the forehead again. That is open hand straight down style I'm using since. I've not changed the style. Open hand straight down. We get different type of way in holding the shaving stick. Yeah, the clipper blade. We have different ways of holding it for different styles. But the style I am using now, you see the way I hold it, that is open hand, straight down. So when I change the system, I will let you know so that you can be able to know the style to be used for each part of the head or where you want to shave. Can you see that is open hand, sit down, open hand, sit down style. I have not changed the style. Open hand, straight down. So I'm now shaving from the center of the head to the left side of the eye. Now from the center of the head down to the back of the hair. You see it? From the center of the head, now I'm trying to go down to the back of the hair, to the back of the neck. That is the area I want to clear all those areas. When you try to watch this tutorial finish, you will see different ways of holding the stick razor stick, different ways of holding it, different ways of holding it to shave. It is only one style I've been using since, open hand, straight down. That is how I call it in my studio. Open hand, straight down. When I change the style, I will let you know the shaving still continue. The shaving still continue from the center of the head down to the back of the neck. If you can see the way I follow it, I started from the back, now trying to finish up the head at the back again. You can start anywhere depending on how you like it. You can start in the front, you can start by the side, you can start by the center, depending on how you want it to be. But my own, this tutorial now, I started from the back, that is the right hand side. I now trying to finish up the entire the head by the back again, from where I've started. I'm trying to shave it neat so that all look right. Can you see now? I'm trying to apply soap. Yeah, that was the way I started. That was the way I started. Yeah. Before you do the shaving, you apply the soap. And the thickness of your soap depending on the growth of the hair. Yeah. If the hair is plenty, the soap have to be thick. Yeah, if the hair is not plenty, it is not necessary, compulsory necessary to apply thick soap there. Yeah, you have to monitor all these things. You have to monitor it. When we have plenty hair on the head where you want to shave, you apply thick soap there. Where the hair is not so plenty, not so much, then you let your hair be somehow light. Can you see now I've changed the style? That is a backhand down. Try to watch carefully. Backhand down. Try to take note of the styles I am using. That is open and straight down again. Open and straight down. Can you see it? Try to locate very well. Try to monitor what I'm trying to say. Open and straight down. So I've used two styles now. Open and straight down and the backhand straight down. Backhand straight down. Open and straight down. You see? So when you follow me up till I shave the beard, you will still see different type of holding stick in different dimensions. Yeah, in different dimensions. You can be able to identify. No. Can you see that is backhand straight down again? I've changed to that style again. Backhand straight down. You're supposed to know or supposed to be able to undo your straight razor in all dimensions. You can go right, you can go left, you can go down, you can go up, not until you are turning every time. That is open and straight down again. Open and straight down. I'm trying to finish up with the front, with the head. I have not get to the bed. I want to finish up with the head first. Can you see that is back and straight down again? See the way I hold the stick. Back hand straight down. You see the way I hold it? So it is not compulsory you'll be rotating, twisting your hand everywhere. No. That is back hand straight down again. Back hand straight down. I open and straight down. I'm sorry. Open and straight down. When we get to the shaping of the bed now, you will see the way I will be changing styles in holding the razor stick. That is why you need to practice very well. You need to master the using of the straight razor. It's totally different from clipper. Totally different. Yeah, totally different. You have to know the way to hold it very well. You have to know the way to undo it. Yeah, that is backhand straight down again. Can you see it? Backhand straight down. Open and straight down. I've used only two styles on the head. Open and straight down. Backhand straight down. Those are those two styles I use for shaping of the head. Now I want to go to the beard. When we reach the beard now, you can see the way I will be changing positioning of the holding the straight razor. Yeah, you need to watch this film very well. You need to watch it. You need to watch this film. You don't need to mess it up. Yeah, you don't need to miss it. Can you see I'm trying to apply the soap at the beard? Yeah, you see the way I hold the stick for the beard. You will see the way I hold the stick, the way I shape the beard. This is the application of soap. The hair is not so plenty. That is why the soap is light. Don't forget again, when the hair is plenty, the soap can be thick or thicker than this one. But when the hair you want to barb, the beard, the mustache you want to barb is not so plenty, the soap have to be light. It has to be light to make your work free. Yeah, free from injury. You will see step by step. Yeah, I've started. That is open and straight down. I started with open and straight down style. You see the way I hold it? Try to watch carefully and follow me up. The way I'm using the style, I will be telling you the name of the style I'm using. Can you see? That is backhand straight up. Backhand straight up. Can you see? That is backhand straight up. Backhand straight up. Backhand straight up. I've used three styles now. Open and straight down. Backhand straight down. Open backhand straight up again. Can you see? Making three different styles now. Yeah, that is backhand straight down. Backhand straight down. Can you see it? Backhand straight down. Backhand straight down again. See the way? Can you see the way I'm trying to shave that mustache? Yeah, open and straight down again. Try to watch carefully. Open and straight down. Open and straight down. You see the way I hold the straight razor stick? Open and straight down. You see the way I hold it? You see the way I'm moving my hand? That is backhand straight up again. Try to watch carefully. Backhand straight up. You need to practice with straight razor very well, so that you master. That is backhand straight up again. You master the movement of your straight razor. You can use it in any all dimensions. That is backhand parallel. Try to watch carefully. That is backhand parallel. I've changed it to backhand straight up again. Backhand straight up. So the styles I'm using, I will be telling you the name, so that when you want to use it, you can be able to know. That is open and straight up. You see it? Open and straight up. Yeah, open and parallel. Open and parallel mix up with open and straight up. This open and parallel. Can you see? That is open and parallel. Try to watch carefully. See the way I hold the shaving stick? You see the way I hold it? You see the way I hold the shaving stick? Yeah, that is Open hand, straight down again. Try to watch carefully. Master the way I handle it. Master where the straight razor is working to. Yeah. Open and straight down. Can you see? You know where to use all these styles. You cannot be using the same type of holding straight razor hairstyle for all part of the body. No. Open and straight down. You need to master all these things very well. You practice. You can be able to shave in all dimensions, all directions. All dimensions, all directions, without injury, without pain. Yeah. Can you see? Open hand, straight down. Yeah, open hand parallel. Yeah, open hand straight up again. Open hand straight up. Can you see it? Open hand straight up. So we have different type of holding the stick in different dimensions. Open hand straight up. You see it? Try to watch carefully and look at where the razor blade is working to. Can you see? Open hand parallel, open hand straight up. Mixing them up. Open hand straight up. Open hand straight down, parallel. Yeah, look at this area now. That is backhand straight up. Backhand straight up. Yeah, backhand straight up. Backhand straight up. You see, they say I have shaved everything up. Can you see? Easy. This thing come with easy. That is why I'm telling you that you should be watching my tutorial. Subscribe to my channel, Master Barber's Hotel. Subscribe to my channel, Master Barber's Comedy TV, so that you can be able to be seeing this full tutorial on how to barb, how to shave, how to sharpen clipper blade, how to sharpen the sharpening stone, etc., etc. I'm trying to clean my hand. Can you see it? So follow me up, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. Don't depend on the new ones only. Go back to the old ones. Go back to the old ones. Yeah, please go back to the old ones. Really appreciate. After shaving the head and the beard, I want to treat just a little treatment because of the rashes. That's some people, when you shave them with a razor, if you don't treat it very well, the rashes will come out. And that's some people, either you treat it, you don't treat it, the rashes will not come out. How will you be able to know which one is which? So that is why after you shave finish, you first clean. You clean all the soap solutions, all the hair particles. You make the head, the entire head and the neck clean again. You see, then before you now begin your treatment. I'm trying to sterilize my hand too. Can you see it? Because I want to treat the entire head and the beard. Yeah, I want to put another treatment there again because of rashes. I want to put another treatment there again. I want to put another treatment. Can you see? That one is very, very hot. Very, very hot. Very, very hot. Yeah, that is why it's germ free. Once you apply that one, no way for bacteria, no way for germs to come. Yeah, can you see the way? Can you see it now? You can see it. I still put another chemical there again so that it will be germ free. No rashes at the end of the day. Yeah, everything is smooth. That is how to use straight razor to shave very fast. This is how to undo and how to use straight razor for shaving of the head and the beard. Can you see? I still want to put another ointment there so that everything will be germ free. They say prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. You see the way I'm applying it? Entire head, entire beard. You make everything germ free. Can you see it? Before you do all this, you clean your hand, you wash your hand, then you sterilize your hand before you do it. If you are not using glove. Yeah, you see the way I'm applying the powder again to make everything cool. So the man used to wear cap. So because of the cap, when you have put the treatment, you need to put powder at the end of everything. Can you see it? That is how to barb, how to use straight razor, how to shave with straight razor. Complete full tutorial on how to use straight razor.